Silver price predictions 2026. Why the next move could change everything. Stop for a moment before you scroll. Before you dismiss this as just another price prediction, because what we are about to talk about is not only about silver. It's about timing, patience, and the kind of decision people later call lucky, even though it was never luck at all. 2026 is not just another year on the calendar. For silver, it could be a line in history. The quiet before the move right now, silver feels boring, no fireworks. No panic, no headlines screaming record highs. And that's exactly what makes this moment dangerous and powerful. Markets don't move when everyone is excited. They move when attention disappears. Most people wait for confirmation. Smart money waits for silence, and silver is silent right now. But under the surface, pressure is building. Why 2026 matters more than UTNK. Silver is not just a precious metal. It is a strategic metal. Used in solar panels, electric vehicles, medical technology, military and defense systems, artificial intelligence hardware. Every future-focused industry needs silver. And here's the problem. Supply is not growing the way demand is. Mines take years to develop. Costs are rising. Or quality is declining. You can't just print more silver. That alone sets the stage for 2026 to be different. The biggest silver lie most people even most investors treat silver like gold's little brother. They say, silver follows gold. Silver is too volatile. Silver is manipulated. So it's risky. Here's the truth. Silver is more dangerous to the system than gold. Gold protects wealth. Silver exposes imbalance. That's why silver is cheaper. That's why it's volatile. That's why it's constantly suppressed. And that's exactly why its moves are violent when control weakens. What could trigger silver in 2026? Let's talk triggers, real ones. 1. Monetary pressure. Governments are drowning in debt. Interest rates can't stay high forever. The moment confidence cracks, money runs to hard assets. Silver doesn't ask for trust. It exists. 2. Industrial demand shock. Green energy is not slowing down. AI is not slowing down. Electrification is accelerating. Silver demand is structural, not emotional. 3. Investment awakening. When retail investors finally notice silver again, it won't be gradual. It never is. Silver doesn't climb stairs. It jumps floors. Price prediction. Realistic, not HYP. Let's be clear. This is not a promise. This is not financial advice. This is probability based on cycles and pressure. If current conditions continue. Conservative scenario. $35, $40. Strong breakout scenario. $50 plus. Crisis-driven scenario. Prices that sound unbelievable today. The most important point? Once silver starts moving, catching up becomes impossible. The psychology of original people don't lose money in markets. They lose opportunity. They say, I knew about silver when it was cheap. I almost bought. I was waiting for confirmation. Confirmation is expensive. By the time silver is trending on social media, by the time news anchors talk about it, by the time friends ask, is it too late? It usually is. 2026 will reward patience, not PNIC. Silver is a test. A test of emotional control, long-term vision. The ability to act before applause. It punishes impatience. It rewards conviction. And history shows one thing clearly. Silver moves hardest when people least expect it. Ask yourself 10 years from now, when silver's story is clear, ask yourself, were you watching charts? Or were you watching headlines? Were you waiting for safety? Or were you willing to think early? Because 2026 won't ask for permission. It won't warn politely. It will move. And only those who prepared in silence will understand why. Stay aware. Stay patient. And remember, the biggest moves begin when nothing seems to be happening. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.